Hello everyone, I am Shamim Hossain from Bangladesh. I am excited to present my CS50W Project 3. This project implements a full-featured email client with their project requirements. Let's dive into the functionality of sending emails. When a user fills out the email composition form with recipients, subjects, and body, upon successful sending, the user's sent mailbox is loaded automatically. Here is an example email. Email sent successful. Moving on to the mailbox functionality. Whether it's the inbox, sent, or archive, the latest emails are stored, and each email is displayed with the relevant details such as who the email is from, what the subject line is, and the timestamp of the email. Unread emails have a white background and read emails are displayed with a gray background. When a user clicks on an email, the user is directed to a view displaying the email's content, the email sender, recipients, subject, timestamp, and body are shown. Additionally, the email is marked as read after being viewed. Users can archive or unarchive received emails. In the inbox, a button to archive an email is provided, and in the archive, a button to unarchive is available. Lastly, the project enables users to reply to emails. By clicking the reply button while viewing an email, users are redirected to the email composition form. The recipient field is pre-filled with the original sender, the subject line is pre-filled with RE, and the body is pre-filled with the original email's content. In this demo, I have showed how each element of the project specification has been implemented. Thank you for watching. Feel free to explore the functionalities yourself in the demo. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that like button. Thank you.